Hi everyone, this is Jess from the Westport River Watershed Alliance. I'm here to talk about a cool plant that we see a lot this time of the year in the spring. It's the dandelion. They have an interesting name, dandelion. It gets its name from the French word Dandelion, which means lion's tooth. And when I hold up the leaf, can we kind of see how it kind of looks like maybe some lion's teeth? I see it. Have you ever seen a dandelion before? They have these pretty yellow flowers that kind of look like suns. We see them all the time in the spring. Dandelion flower heads open in the daytime and close at night. Over time, they mature into globe-shaped seed heads that I call puffballs. When you blow on those little puffs, the seeds take off and travel long distances, sometimes going up to 5 miles. That's what makes it so easy for dandelion seeds to spread. Because of this, people refer to dandelions as weeds. But a weed isn't always a bad thing. It just is something that grows where we don't want it to, or grows all over the place and really fast. Sometimes people tell kids, you're growing like a weed, because kids grow really fast. Despite people's annoyance with the plant, dandelions are good for your lawn. Their wide-spreading roots loosen hard-packed soil, aerate the earth, and help reduce erosion. Their deep taproot pulls nutrients like calcium from deep in the soil and makes them available to other plants. Dandelions actually help fertilize the grass. People will sometimes use chemical sprays called weed killers to fight the growth of dandelions. These chemicals are dangerous to the environment. These dangerous chemicals get into the Westport River via rainwater and runoff from local streams, lakes, and groundwater. The amount of contamination from your individual yard may not be much, but when you add it up across all the pesticide-treated lawns in a given area, it's actually a significant problem. But did you know that you can get rid of dandelions by eating them? A dandelion is a multi-purpose herb. That means all parts of the plant can be used for food. So the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers are all edible. I have a tea that I bought at the grocery store. It's supposed to make your stomach feel good. And if we look at the ingredients, it contains dandelion. You can find all sorts of different ways to use dandelion as an ingredient if you look online. I've seen dandelion's leaves used before as greens for a salad and also to make a vinegar. Make sure if you do use dandelions from outside that you're really safe about where you get them from and you're very, very careful. Dandelions are great food, but it's not safe to just pluck them out of the ground anywhere. Never harvest any dandelions close to the road because they can pick up pollution. Never harvest dandelions from an industrial lot like a parking lot or a space where pollution may have been. Never harvest dandelions from a yard where pesticides or fertilizers have been used because we know that those can make us sick. If you feel like eating dandelions isn't your thing, there are plenty of effective natural ways to get rid of them. One way that I've been researching is using boiling water. All you need to do is bring the water to a boil and pour it over the dandelions. Make sure it reaches the root, and within 4 hours, the leaves will start to turn brown. Once they start to turn, pull the dandelion roots out, and the problem should be solved. Another way I've looked up is using vinegar, which you have to be really careful using because it can kill all the other plants around it. But I've heard it's really effective. So if you are interested in that, just get a spray bottle, fill it up with undiluted vinegar, and spray right on the dandelion. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about dandelions, and we'll see you next time.